Have you seen anything dangerous?
Oh, just the usual, sir. Pesky.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a confirmed waterspout was located just offshore over Port Austin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed waterspout moving onshore. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Port Hope around 4:45 p.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan,